I have actually a lot of it. It's not even practical. Oh. Hi guys, long time no see on this landscape mode. I really wanted to share a new Nykaa haul. I have purchased few products that I have never really tried before. It was my first purchase, even though some of the products are in the market for a very long time now, but I just wanted to try them for the very first time because it's never too late to try out new products, right? And if my eyes are looking a little red, you know the reason. Let's not talk about it. You already know guys, Nykaa पे ये वो सेल चलता रहता है. So it was the time of Pink Friday sale जब मैंने ये सब परचेज कर लिया था. थोड़ा करके आ रहा था घर पे and finally all of the products have reached. Some of the products are still on the way but I'm gonna make shorts for them because it's been long. Like these products are lying around. So without further ado, let's see what we have in boxes. Okay, first let's introduce to the elephant in the room. My hair. I've gone complete red. This time I have done red highlights before, but this time I was like, you know what, let's go all out and let's color our hair completely. I impulsively bought two red colors as you can see over here. These are like new packaging. They have said that these are like same formulation but different packaging. You need to see the short to understand how it actually works because there is so many products in one box and I'm like, wow, there is a lot of products. So it was quite overwhelming, but once I did it, I just hit the spot and it's all red now. I'm loving it, honestly. I'm loving the vibe. It's a little different. I can understand for a lot of people, it will be like a lot. I just wanted to do it for a very long time and I'm quite happy, even though I know that red color is so difficult to maintain. So probably after 4 washes, it will become orange, but right now it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Next, I have these two powders. It was going so viral. This one is the yellow powder. This one is the pink powder. So it was going super viral over on YouTube Shorts. I was like, I have to give it a shot. Once again, uploaded shorts over on these two products, like side by side comparison as well. I'll put the video over on the eye. You can go ahead and check those videos out after watching this video. We have a lot of deodorants coming up in the next segment, so please don't get a little overwhelmed, okay? My reason of buying these deodorants was like, it's getting so hot and humid over here. Like, it's not even practical anymore. Like, कितना एसी चलाऊंगी मैं, right? एसी का बिल भी तो भरना होता है and we are freelancers, so mostly we are working from home. So it's just like gets too difficult to turn on AC 24/7, you know. The first thing that I have bought is this Nivea Deodorant Natural Glow, and I also have this sensitive version. This is the smooth skin version. I also have this fresh natural version. So I just bought like a lot of stuff actually, like 3, 2, will be like Molly, are you mad? Pearl and Beauty as well. I just wanted to try. For some reason I just like comparing videos, like where influencers compare a product with another one. Yeah, that's why I actually bought all of these variants because I just want to compare. I just want to see how long it stays on my body, if it smooths out skin or if it whitens. Like whitens as in like if you have like razor burns and stuff like that, if it cures that and all of that. Probably will not, but still I want to see. Still I am giving these a chance. So I'm using it quite often and I'm also using it like side by side. On one underarm I'm actually rolling this one. Another underarm I'm rolling this one. You can never have enough roll-ons, and these are the proofs. These are from Dove. This is the original version. This is the even tone version. Once again, I bought all of these because I wanted to compare side by side once again. Heard a lot about these Dove roll-ons more than even like Nivea roll-ons. So I have huge expectations, even though right now I'm only using Nivea roll-ons. I want to use the Nivea roll-ons for 2 weeks continuously. I don't want to introduce this to my underarm yet. I'm just getting used to the Nivea roll-ons right now. Let's see how that performs on my underarms and then probably I'll switch to these to see how it works on my underarms. Please wait for the short review because I'm definitely gonna give a comparison over on short videos. I feel like people are way more interested on shorts, like vertical contents than landscape contents anyways. We're not over with roll-ons. We still have one more going on, and this is by the brand Yardley. I have never tried Yardley powders. You know how this was going viral back in 2012 or 2015. I have no freaking clue of date. But yeah, I feel like it was going so viral back then. Not this one particularly, but the Yardley London powder. It was the thing back then. It was a thing back then. So I picked it up. This is how it looks. I have never tried it. I haven't even opened it yet. Even though it's not sealed, but you can just open it like this. Uh, Okay, it's powdery. It smells really powdery, alcohol free. All of the roll-ons nowadays are alcohol free. They have like reformulated it, which is a great thing, I guess. Now I'm gonna overwhelm you with some body sprays. Let's go. The first one I have is this Pearl and Beauty from the same range. Whenever I'm applying this, I'm using this one as well to get that long-lasting effect whenever I'm stepping out, because it's very, very hot outside, guys. The moment I'm just stepping out of my house, out of my room, I'm already getting sweat. Next, we have this Secret Temptation body spray. I don't even know why did I buy it. Back in the day, I vividly remember I used to hate. School girlies will get it. This is the one that I'm talking about. I used to hate it, but I just thought that it was like a little nostalgic. So it is in the variant romance. They have different variants, I guess. I'm not really sure. I just saw this and this purple packaging was really intriguing. So I just bought it. There is no other reason. That's it. Next, we have two different variants once again from Nivea. This is the Fresh Natural one, and this is the Protect and Care one. I believe this one is the cult classic because I have seen the same packaging over on body lotion, also on teen. Like they have the similar packaging, so I'm expecting it is a cult favorite, even though I'm not really sure. Pair up this one with this one only because these are from the same variant. It says that it's 48 hours of protection. In this hot, humid weather, trust me, nothing can protect your odor for 48 hours. Did I just buy two accidentally? Yes, I did. I also bought accidentally two of these. Now I ask myself where my money is going. Next, I have bought this bunch of rich cream expert from the brand Godrej. Now, this is not for me, but for my mother. So she loves using it. I have never tried this before. It's mostly for gray coverage, and I feel like it works really well. It's very like easy to apply. It's very hassle free. It's one step also. It's not like those 4 or 5 steps like other colorants. So it's very easy, and it's also easy to carry around. It's only plastic packaging. It's one time use also. It's very convenient, I feel like. I have a repurchase over here, and this is the spoiler alert from Smashbox. This shade is so good. This especially looks good on brown skin, but any skin tone will be able to wear it. It has a little bit of purple, brown, gray undertone. It looks so smoky. I love this shade. You definitely need to try it. Slightly expensive, and it is actually the most expensive thing in this haul, but I just love this shade. I will be very heartbroken if they discontinue this shade actually. Next, I have another lip product with me, and it is a lip oil actually. And I have the Swiss Beauty lip oil. It's very cheap. It was going very viral over on the internet. So, by curiosity, I actually bought it even though I have so much and I don't want to waste my money on new makeups anymore. But I just cannot help myself. It's so unfair. But yeah, once again, I have given an in-depth review of this over on my shorts, so check out my shorts for the review. Okay, next is a little household product. You will be like, Oli, you have started taking care of your house, and I'm like, yes, honey, I have. For this comfort for clothing, I used to buy the sky blue one, but I think this is a new variant with new fragrance. Even though I haven't opened it yet, it just arrived today. It's just like how the name suggests. I just love. It actually smells really good. They also do have like a bigger version, but I just bought the smaller version. It's one of my repurchase, and this is the Seva Maid's cleansing foam. It is a repurchase, as I have said. I have tried this before and I really like it. It's really gentle on skin. If you have any type of problems and if you cannot use face wash or any type of face wash that reacts on your skin, I think you should definitely give it a shot. I'm just giving a small review over here. Suitable for oily skin, but they have different variants as well. Sebamed sells such amazing skincare products. You should definitely give it a shot. It's not sponsored, by the way. I'm just giving my honest review over here. Last but not the least, I have the Patanjali's aloe vera gel. सब कुछ ट्राई करके आखिर में मुझे लगा कि मुझे ये एक बार फिर से ट्राई करना चाहिए. That's why I bought it. It just popped up on my Nykaa app out of nowhere because I have bought it so many times over on the past years. I lost count, like how many times did I buy it. So yeah, one more time. Here we go. So with that, we have come to an end of this video. It was a very quick haul, I guess, that I'm going to be sharing over on landscape mode after a long time. I'm just tired of vertical mode right now, and I just wanted a break for a bit. And it was a good break. Of course, it was a really good break. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one over on my short. I post shorts very frequently, at least twice a day. So make sure you check them out. And if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Comment down below if you want me to try out any trendy product before you purchase. I'm going to be purchasing that and I'm going to give review. That's literally my job. So I'm free to do that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Please stay hydrated. Drink moderate amount of water, at least 3 liters per day. It's so hot outside. So please, please, please drink water. Okay. Don't drink soft drinks. Just drink water. Okay. Bye.